Alright, part 6. Write the equation for the line using the given info in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. You may also want / need point-slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. Okay, so here is this. I can see that I have a graph with a line. This is a negative slope just by looking at it, so I should have a negative m. So in order for me to write the equation of this line, well, first of all, the equation of the line is y equals mx plus b. I need a slope and I need an intercept. So just based on this, it looks like I have an intercept of 0, 3. Remember, b, or the y-intercept, means that where the line crosses the y-axis, so it's at 0, 3. Or I can just say 3. And then the slope, it's a negative slope because it's decreasing. I should have a negative sign right in front of the value. So let's see, I'm going 1, 2, 3, so I'm going down 1, 2, 3, to the right 1, 2, so that's negative 3 over 2. Okay, so y equals mx plus b, y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 3. Alright, number 25. This looks like a... I do not really like this because this and this will fool you. So, let's go ahead and examine the behavior of this line. It looks like it's going to increase as it's slanted like this. So, y equals mx plus b. Let's see, I'm going up 2, just getting up 3, right 1. So my slope is positive 3. And my b is, where does the line cross the y-axis? Right here. And that's negative 2. So y equals 3x plus negative 2. Which is just basically y equals 3x minus 2. Okay? So that's the answer for that one. Number 26, write the equation of the line with the slope of 3 and through the point negative 2, 5. So if we go back, remember the point slope equation is y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1, and that's only when you have a point and a slope. So if I go back to that question, I do have a point and a slope. So I'm going to use that equation, y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. And remember, you do not touch the y and you do not touch the x. The only thing that you can replace are y1, m, and x1. So we can call this x1, y1. So y minus 5 equals 3 times the quantity x minus negative 2. Y minus 5 is equal to, I'm going to simplify the stuff inside, so x plus 2. Then I use the distributive property, so y minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 6. Add, using the addition property equality, so y equals 3x plus 11. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and do number 27. Write the equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equals 3x minus 1 and through the point 6, negative 2. So just by reading this, I have a line. We'll call that line 1, and that is perpendicular to another line, y equals 3x minus 1. So if I look at this, okay, I know the slope is 3, but the other line should have a perpendicular slope, so that's going to be negative 1/3. Okay, now I have my slope, I have my point, so using this equation again, point slope form, got y minus negative 2, so that's x1, y1, by the way, is equal to, my slope is negative 1/3. I'm going to use the new slope, not this slope. I'm using the perpendicular slope. So x minus x1, which is 6. So then I simplify, y plus 2 equals negative 1/3 times x minus 6. Use the distributive property. Y plus 2 equals negative 1/3 times x should be simply negative 1/3 x. Then negative 1/3 of negative 6. So I know a negative times a negative is going to be a positive. So what is 1/3 of 6 or a third of 6? That should be 2. Okay? So minus the 2 on both sides now. So y equals negative 1/3 x plus 0. Or you can just say y equals negative 1/3 x.